Hey everyone, Tony with TG Lawn Maintenance. Now today's video is about how to siphon gas from a can to your car without using a pump. So I'm going to throw a channel name out there, some part of the video. I don't know if it's going to be in the middle or the end, but one of the channels that always comments on my videos, I'm going to throw it out there. So make sure you look for that throughout the video. And at the end of the video, I'm going to give a quick little tip or maybe advice on how to save money by buying 3 5-gallon cans, because you're losing out if you're not getting all 30 gallons, and I'll explain at the end of this video. So stay tuned. We're going to siphon some gas. You hear that little noise, that ball in there? That's what's going to act like the suction from this hose. So here we go. Okay, this first one we're gonna time here, real time. Ready? Towards the end, I'm going to lift up the can, get it elevated so we get every drop of glass. as you've seen, that took us 3 minutes and 53 seconds. This one here, I'm gonna time lapse it. Hey guys, real quick, go check out Minnesota Lawn and Landscape channel. His name's Sean. Go check him out. He always leaves comments on my videos. Back to the time lapse. Hey guys, if this video is helpful, please hit that like. Hey, Minnesota Lawn and Landscaping's link will be in the description, so go check them out. Guys, we'll meet back by the shed and hopefully I can help you save some money. Hey everyone, I hope that video helped you out, or at least helped the one person out. And if it did, then the video did its job. Look in the description for the link for Sean from Minnesota Lawn and Landscaping. I'll be doing shout outs here and there in the middle of the video, the beginning of the video, end of the video. I'm just not going to put them in my title anymore. You never know if I'm going to throw your name out there for leaving comments in my video, so make sure you check out my next video. Who knows, maybe your name will be in there. Now, how to save some money on gas, or I should say take advantage of your fuel perks. Now, where I'm from, we use Giant Eagle and Get-Go, and in the comment section let me know what you guys use. Maybe it's the same thing as what we use, I don't know, but in the comments let me know. I'm just going to do some simple math and hopefully you follow along here real quick. So if gas was $3.50 and Get-Go allots me for my fuel perks 30 gallons and my car only holds 15 gallons, okay, and I'm saving $3 off gas. So if I had 3 gas cans that were 5 gallons apiece, I can get the whole 30 gallons at 50 cents a gallon. Okay, so essentially that's $15. I'm saving lots and lots of money. Now, if I wasn't able to get the whole 30 gallons and I can only get 15 and I didn't have my cans, essentially guys, $3, okay, for gas, because I'm counting out the 50 cents. If it's just $3 and I have to get an extra 15 gallons the next week to fill up again, now I'm losing $45. So hey, that's just a quick little tip, some advice. Make sure you use your fuel perks. If I was you, I would get all 30 gallons if that's what it allows. Save some money. Hit the like, subscribe, hit the bell. See you on the next one. GoPro, stop recording.